Welcome to a day living in a cabin in the rainforest. Even though I have moved out of the shed, I have to come in here every morning, get my toothbrush, make my coffee and do all that stuff. But after that, tengo que venir aquí and get these goats out to the field so they can eat some grass. Arre, arre, arre cobra, arre. Ah, it smells so good. I usually start my day with coffee, but lately I've been doing only tea. Coffee sometimes gets me a little worked out and I'm shaking like an owl, but got tea as replacement for now. I can be a little bit of an overthinking sometimes, but I came out with a pretty useful method that gets me off the hook when I have to take a decision. Okay, buddy, I'm trusting you with this one. You gotta choose one of these, okay? Which one you gonna choose? You see, we got bathroom plumbing, septic system, or stay at home. Septic system? But I just wanted to stay home. The cat has decided that we are gonna work on the septic system, which is plumbing, and plumbing only means 20 trips to the hardware store, so we're starting with the first one in the morning. You're in charge of the house, buddy. Take good care of it. I'll be back in a few minutes. Sometimes I can do a little bit of multitasking. Carrying laundry, talking on the phone, getting ready to buy PVC connectors. I use it on my phone.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están?
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo es usted?
Bien, ¿cómo está usted? Every time that I come to town, I try to be the most productive that I can, that is possible for me. So I always put everything that I have to do in town for the same day, so I don't have to be running up and down the mountain to get things done. ¿Todo bien, hermano? And every once in a while, I gotta come to this spot. This is kind of like my secret spot where I come to when I need some inspiration. I have taken a few things from here to put in my house, like some concepts and ideas. So it's inspiring to come here and see it. I also need to do some computer work sometimes. So when I need that fast connection to internet, I come here. I have internet in the mountain, but it's not the fastest ever, so I gotta come here every once in a while, and I love it. I just drink my cup of tea and coffee and chill for a bit. All done. There was a time when I was singing in the car. I know what you're doing. Got the PVC connectors and it's time to do some physical work. Vigilándote. ¿Es una piedra o hierro? can start calling me Blancanieves. I found this dude in the ground and just like jump on my finger and no, he's not. Look. He's just not leaving me. No way, really? How is that possible? Really? Bro, just get over there. Good boy. Bye-bye. What's up, Lola? What you doing over there? Do you want to go for a ride? Yeah? Okay. Right in the middle. All these little holes that you see over here, this is where the water is gonna get out, and then it will go into the rocks that are down there, and the rocks are gonna help to filtrate it into the soil. This is kind of like a French drain system. It's very similar. The only thing is that we are using a plastic tank with holes in the bottom, when you usually just open a hole in the dirt and just throw a pipe, connect a pipe that goes into the hole, or at least that's how they do it over here. But wanna be a little fancy, we got a tank and we gotta use it. Okay. Nice! Got it in there. Now you just gotta connect all this stuff together with the PVC. I'm gonna do dry connecting first, and then after that, just right when I'm 100% sure that all this stuff is in the right place, I will then add the PVC glue. This is my least favorite part of the week. I gotta clean this entire shed. I don't live here anymore, but this thing is so disorganized. It's a mess. There is laundry. I have my clothes over there, and I don't even know what else I have in here. The stove is a mess. The sink. Gotta do dishes. I'm pretty sure that this is not news for you, but I'm pretty disorganized sometimes. Sometimes I'm like neat, clean. But when I focus on one job, I forget about everything else. And cleaning must be done over here, so I gotta get hands on it.
Where do you go? Thanks loud sleep at night. Say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so.
I don't know if you can read what says over there, but it says, "Welcome home, Uncle Rod." Sadie made me this. I went away for a week, maybe like 3 to 4 months ago, and when I came back, she surprised me with this, and was one of the most wholesome moments ever. And I just keep it. I should put it in the wall. I had it on the wall. There is a tape. There is a proof. I thought I had lost my glasses. I have been looking for these bad boys for over a month, and they were in a box under the bed. How did they get over there? I do not have a kitchen on the A-frame yet. That's one of the future steps to doing there. So this is where I prepare my lunch and pretty much all my foods. Got a stove, got a few pans, all the necessary tools to prepare a nice and very healthy meal. And if you're like me, a little lazy, I use it straight from the pan so I don't have to do more dishes. Please tell me that I'm not the only one that does this thing, because then I'm gonna feel a little weird. This is what I mean when I say that the weather over here is kinda crazy. 2 hours ago it was raining, everything was covered in water, in clouds, and right now it's sunny, it's beautiful, we got a blue sky on that side, and I can put one more work shift into adding the glue to this PVC structure I've been working on for the last few days, and I should be able to call it all done by the end of today. That's 254. Okay, so we can do right about here. Here it comes, el momento crucial. I gotta make sure I mark all the joints, all the connections with a marker so I can keep that as a guide for when I'm adding the glue. I don't lose the angles that were pretty tedious to get. It's like right here. As you can see, I add a little bit of marker over there. It's right there. I marked it. So when I am just gluing stuff, I know that I just gotta follow those two lines, put them together, and I'll have the perfect angle that I already did. This is just dry connected. I did dry connection for all this stuff, and it's time to add the glue. Jordan is calling me, he needs my help with something. I mean, that's not gonna go anywhere. I'll be back in a second. Let's go, cowboy. Where's your horse?
Yeah.
Show me what you got, what you really got. Come on, bro, this is yours. Not the tail.
I got an ass.
Something that you have to know about me is that I am really easy to get distracted with anything. Even if it is just a butterfly flying in front, I'll get distracted with that. And something that I really love is spending good quality time with my friends. And even though if I have to do some work, work can wait. But good memories and amazing moments, those things are not gonna wait over there. Go in, good girl, go in. Come here, you go. Good night. I just had one of the best evenings ever. My friends got an espresso machine and they set it up in their house. And I used to be a barista, so making coffee is something that kinda, it's there, it's in the veins. Maybe not, but I just have a passion for it. And we just had a lot of fun making coffee, having dinner together, just making good memories. But now I am up for my last task of the day, which is taking care of these bad boys. Oh, you smell oh! They are on the mating season and they pee on their faces all the time. Oh, you're pretty stinky, boy. Good night, George. Hey, stay right there. Wait. Hey, I'm not a goat. What's up with you? Come on. But hey, go to your house. This is what I have to deal with. Hey, no. I didn't want to, but I basically just forced myself into taking a cold, very cold shower in the woods. This is colder than my ex. Yum, yum, yum. I'm starting my last shift of the day. Editing. I have a whole video to edit over here. I do all the editing of my videos all on my own. And let me tell you, sharing your life to the internet, it's a lot of work. But I'm happy to do it. I like it. I'll spend probably the next 5 to 6 hours doing this, and then I'll go to sleep. By the way, this is my bed. This is a couch. I sleep in a couch. I don't have a bed. Not yet. Someday hey, stop it. He's just hitting me in the face with his tail. One day I'll own a bed and I'll sleep very comfortable on the bed. In the meantime, I gotta break my back on the couch. And yeah, that's it. So, bye.